Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need high frame rate footage, so start with a 60 FPS clip. This preserves motion when you slow it. Once imported into Capcut, trim to the precise action you want to emphasize, because less footage means cleaner interpolation. Tap speed, choose curve or normal, then set a target like 0. 5 for half speed. This gives you control. Make sure to use optical flow or smooth frame interpolation. This reduces stutter by creating in-between frames, and it's why your slow motion will look professional. Now refine the motion. Open speed curve for precise timing, add control points to ease into the slow section, then ease out because abrupt speed shifts look artificial. Once the curve is set, enable optical flow or smooth to interpolate missing frames. This improves clarity, though it raises render time. If a particular frame still jitters, step through frame by frame and nudge clips or add micro speed adjustments. Export a short test clip to verify quality before processing the full project, so you catch issues early. Finish by exporting with settings that match your source FPS and a high bitrate, because this preserves the smoothness. Choose MP4 or MAV depending on your delivery. If you see ghosting or warped motion, reduce optical flow intensity or switch to manual frame-by-frame fixes. This trades speed for precision. Make sure to test the final file on the target device, and if small artifacts remain, add subtle grain or tweak color to blend them. This often makes a big difference in perceived quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.